Hello everyone and welcome back to our English class. Today we are going to the second chapter of our grammar book, that is articles. So what are articles? An article is a word that combines with a noun to specify the type of reference to the noun. See, there are three little words which are known as articles, that is a, an and the. These are the three words which are known as articles. Now there are two types of articles, that is definite article and indefinite article. Definite articles means the and indefinite articles means a and a. Now firstly we will be talking about indefinite articles, that is a or an. Right now we will be studying basic rules before using a or an. Let us proceed. To indicate one person or thing, a or an is used to indicate one person or a thing, means for a singular noun. For example, a puppy came running towards me. A puppy, there is a one puppy. Next, she consulted an optician yesterday. She consulted one optician. So we have used an and O is a vowel. You all must be knowing that there are A, E, I, O, U, five vowels and remaining are consonants. Right? Okay. Next, to show certain quantity. There are dozen oranges on the table. Okay, dozen is expressing the quantity of oranges. Next, I have bought an apple from the market. An apple, I have brought an apple means I have bought one apple from the market. To show profession, caste, rank, religion, community of a person. She is a Muslim. It is showing a caste. So we will use a. He is a Hindu person who has come to me. Mrs. Gupta is a nurse in a government hospital. He wants to be a scientist. He is a scientist. He is an engineer. So when we are declaring about someone's profession, we will use a. Now, how to decide if it is a or an? It's very important, children. Many times we do mistake in this. See, use a before all consonant sounds, including the sounds. A book, a chapter, a toy, a university. A university. Though you will think that you use a vowel, then why you have used a? Because see the sound. University. So it is a consonant. A month, a yellow bag, a toy, a bag, a mobile phone. Okay, so we will use a for all the consonant sounds, including its sounds also. Next, use an when the next word begins with the vowel sound. An umbrella, an apple, an ice cream, an egg, an orange, an R. R is a vowel. H is silent over here. And M, it is pronounced as M. An interesting point, an interesting story, and so on. Now, when not to use a or an. We have understood when to use a or an. We have understood the rules. But now we are studying about when not to use them. It will not be used with uncountable noun and with plural nouns. First of all, my question is, what is uncountable noun? Uncountable nouns are those nouns which cannot be counted. Right? For example, rice, milk, information, petrol. These cannot be counted, so it is considered as uncountable noun. You can use some. You can use some with it. I drank some milk in the morning. Can you give me some useful information? You cannot say I drank an milk or a milk. You will say some milk. Can you give me a useful information is wrong. Some useful information. Now plural nouns are that which are more than two. Nouns which are more than two are known as plural nouns. We have done this chapter. Okay, I have brought some pencils for my sister. Now pencils are plural. We will not say an pencil or a pencil. We will say some pencils for my sister. So with plural nouns, a or an will not be used. Definite article the. Now we will be studying about this definite article the. See the uses, there are certain rules about it. It is used to talk about people and things we have already mentioned. See, she has two children, a girl and a boy. Okay, we have mentioned about a girl and a boy. Now we are mentioning it again. The girl is 10 and the boy is 8. So this girl and the boy is being repeated. So we will use the girl is 10 and the boy is 8. Next, the optician examined my eyes. The same optician whom I have visited yesterday. Today he has examined my eyes. So we will use the. This the is determining particularity. Means this the shows you that I am talking about this optician only. This the does not means in general. The means fix. Next, when we are saying which people or things we mean, we will say, who is the girl in the car? Now, this girl, the is showing you that this girl, who is this girl? So, the shows you particular things or particular people. The boy who is standing is my brother. This boy who is standing, this particular boy who is standing is my brother. So, we will use the because this the is showing you the fixed or particular person. It is also used with uncountable nouns. See, the is used with uncountable noun. We have studied that here and will not be used with uncountable nouns, but definite article would be used with uncountable nouns. Okay, the cherries were tasty. I have brought some rice. The rice are cooked. Okay, it will be used with uncountable noun. There is also used with superlatives. What are superlatives? Superlatives are best, worst, fastest, cleanest, the most beautiful. Okay, these are called superlatives. See the example. Mount Everest is the highest mountain in the world. The highest. We have used the before highest. Second, inhabitants of a country. Like the British live in England. The Indians live in India. This is called inhabitants. We'll use the before the inhabitants. Holy books, the Bible, the Bhagavad Gita, the Quran. Nature, the earth rotates around the sun. Okay, the sun, the sky, the stars are twinkling. Rivers, the Gangas, the Krishna, the Thames. The Ganga is the longest river of India. Okay, seas and ocean also, the Arabian Sea, the Pacific Ocean, mountains. Look, mountains, the Himalayas, the Nilgiris, the Ains, important positions. For example, the president visited India. The president, the prime minister, the chief minister, the class teacher, the monitor, the you can say principal. Okay, so these are important positions with before whom we will use the. Musical instruments, the violin, the guitar, the flute, name of directions, the east, turn towards the north, look at the south, okay, the west, countries with plural names, see, the Philippines, the West Indies, words such as ordinal numbers, the first edition, the first boy in this row has got the first rank, okay, the last boy is sleeping, clear? So these was all about the usage of the. Now we will end up this chapter that was all about the usage of the articles, the definite articles and the indefinite articles. Now before closing it, we would be doing the exercises. See, choose a, an or the when necessary. Tom has got dash very old car. Tom has got a very old car. Second, I think dash headmaster is angry with me. I think the headmaster is angry with me. Headmaster is a position. Third, I watched dash interesting movie yesterday. Interesting I is a vowel, so we will use an. Fourth, dash girl who just came in is my neighbor. The girl, we are talking about that girl only who just came in. Now we are saying that she is my neighbor, so we will use the definite article. The teacher scolded dash children for talking in dash class. The teacher scolded the children. Children who are talking, she has scolded those children. So we will use the definite article. For talking in the class, we are talking about the particular class. So the class. 6. She used to work dash accountant. An accountant. A is a vowel. 7th, Venus is dash planet in the solar system. Venus is dash hottest planet in the solar system. Hottest is the superlative degree. So we will use the in it. Would you like dash in tea, milk in your tea? Would you like dash milk in your tea? Would you like some milk in your tea? We will not use a and a the. Would you like milk in your tea? That's it. These are dash oranges you bought yesterday. These are dash oranges you bought yesterday. Here we are talking about those oranges which were bought yesterday. Okay, so these are the oranges. We are talking about this orange only. So we are using the. Last, my father took me to the beach yesterday. The boy is talking to the beach where he has already visited, where his father has taken him. So the beach yesterday. That was all about this chapter, articles. I hope you have find it very interesting and easy. In the next video, we would be coming up with the third chapter of grammar. Till then, study well, understand the rules, practice at home, and take care.